Let's see how we can find our phone contacts on Instagram by their phone number. This is a pretty quick and simple video, so just follow my steps. We'll first open our App Store if we are on iPhone or the Google Play Store if we are an Android user. We have to make sure that we don't have any pending updates in here, and we'll check if our app is updated. If it's not, simply update Instagram because we need the latest version of the app in order for this to work. When we get that out of the way, we can simply open Instagram and then go over to our Instagram profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and then open the Settings and Privacy option. In here, we'll see an option called Account Center at the very top of our Instagram settings page, so that's what we'll open. Now tap on your information and permissions right here. When you get to this page, we'll see two different options, and those are Search History and Upload Contacts. And now we'll want to select an Instagram account on which we want to upload the contacts from our phone. The last step is to enable this option called Connect Contacts. If it's your first time doing this, it's gonna ask you for a permission to access the contacts on your phone. You'll need to allow it if you want to find your contacts by their phone number. When you do all of these steps, I'm gonna show you where can you find these people. Go all the way back to the Instagram homepage, and now you'll want to tap on the little heart icon at the top right corner. That's where you can see who likes your posts and all that other stuff. Then tap on the follow requests option if your account is private. And on this page, Instagram is going to prioritize the suggestions and make the people from your contacts list appear at the top of the suggestions. You will be able to find different people from your contacts list and follow them if you want to. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.